What drives the internet marketing force? Before we get into the tricks and techniques that work in the online world, it would be a great idea to first understand the mindset that works here. In the previous chapter, we saw what the customer is looking for. They seem to be like too many things, but at the end of the day, there is just one thing that really motivates the online customer today. And that is information. Information can rightfully be called as the driving force of internet marketing today. It is information that people are looking for, and it is information that compels them to buy a product. There are so many examples where people have been looking for information on how to make a particular task easier and then stumbled on some product that does that for them. They research about that new product a little, they read reviews, they check out videos, and if they like everything, they may even interact with the sellers of the product. That is it. This may eventually lead to a sale. An entirely new product that the world doesn't yet know about fully ends up getting sold just because someone was looking for information. That is why you should focus on providing information. That is one of the most profound ways to notch up sales in the online world right now. What kind of information? Text-based information. Previously, it was text-based information that was all that was needed. This information was given out in the form of basic website content. Marketers would post articles on their websites themselves, and if people liked them, they would get the link to buy the product right away. In present times, you have the option to put up text-based information on the article directories as well. Here are 10 of the most popular article directories where you can put up information about your product or service. eZine Articles, Articles Base, Article City, Article Alley, Buzzle, Snare, Go Articles, Associated Content, Amazines, Article Directory. These are article directories that take up general content. However, if you are looking for some specific type of content to post, then you could consider the following. How. This directory specializes in how-to content, DIY articles, things like that. How stuff works. This is an article directory for content on scientific reasons for why things work. If you are looking at a more interactive experience where people can share and distribute your articles with their friends in a better manner, then you should take a look at these websites. Knoll, Hub Pages, Squidoo, Helium, Bookiza, Search Warp, Article Dashboard. Why are these places so popular? The reason for that lies in the fact that people can get the information they want here. All these directories have their easy search tabs where you can type whatever you want and you can find information. As an internet marketer, you can leverage this to your advantage. You can put up articles on topics that people want to read about. All these directories have top SEO ranking, which means they will automatically show up in the search engine results without people needing to look for them by name. So, if your article has the right keywords, then it is enough to bring your article to the top of the search engine pages. People will read them, and, if they like what you have written, they will click your business link and visit there. At the end of the day, remember that it is knowledge and information that attracts the people on the internet. You have to ensure that you provide them with these basic necessaries. If you are able to do that, with high quality, then you can be assured of a continuous flow of traffic to your online business. Another way in which you can use text-based marketing is through blogs. You could build a blog for yourself by using the following resource. Blogger. However, if you are looking for a more professional blog, through which you could run a business, then you might want to have a blog through the following resource, WordPress or Wix. Both these resources are great to get you started with your blog. There is no learning curve with Blogger whatsoever, only with WordPress you might need to go through a little training until you are set up. In any case, both these blogging platforms can help you become a great blogger quite easily. Blogs are great for giving out information because you can make posts here. These posts can contain your opinions about your industry, which help in establishing your credibility in the online world. You tell people what you know about the product or service that you are dealing with, and they, in return, tell you what they think. Blogs are places where people can place their comments and remarks on what you write, hence, they are a truly interactive portal which helps you come closer to your clients. A successful blog is one that is updated constantly. It is a place where you post regular articles, so that people can read them and give their opinions if necessary. You should note that a regularly updated blog is also viewed favorably by the search engines. When you make regular posts, it counts for good search engine optimization as well.